This video demonstrates the quick reset limit process on an automatic technology easy roller opener. Firstly, remove the button cover. This is a shortcut for resetting the limits. If not acted on within 30 seconds, the limits will default back to the previously set limit positions. Press and hold the close button for 6 seconds. You are now able to reset the limits using the limit set instructions. For this demonstration, we will not act for 30 seconds. The unit has now reverted back to the previous settings. Thank you for watching. Automatic technology. Smart, simple, secure.